Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a story that is seriously sweet. It's about a young girl who turned a couple of bee stings and a family recipe into a multi-million-dollar business. This is the amazing story of Mikaila Ulmer and her company Me and the Bees Lemonade. It all started when Mikaila was just 4 years old. In one week, she got stung by 2 bees. Understandably, she was scared of them. But her parents encouraged her to do some research, and instead of fear, she developed a fascination. She learned how important bees are to our ecosystem and that they were in danger. Around the same time, her great-granny Helen sent her a 1940s cookbook, which included a special recipe for flaxseed lemonade. An idea sparked. What if she could use her great-granny's recipe to create a delicious lemonade and use the profits to help save the bees? And so, Me and the Bees Lemonade was born. Mikaila started small, selling her lemonade from a simple stand in front of her house. She sweetened it with local honey, a nod to the very creatures she wanted to protect. Her lemonade wasn't just tasty. It had a mission. People loved the story and they loved the drink. Soon, her local lemonade stand was getting so popular that she could barely keep up with the demand. At just 9 years old, she was a seasoned entrepreneur, pitching her product to local businesses. But her big break came when she was 11. She appeared on the TV show Shark Tank, where she bravely pitched her vision to a panel of tough investors. She walked away with a $60,000 investment from Damon John, who was blown away by her passion and business sense. That deal was a game changer. Suddenly, Me and the Bees Lemonade went from a local favorite to a national brand. Mikaila landed a massive deal with Whole Foods to sell her lemonade in stores across the country. But even with all this success, she never lost sight of her original mission. A percentage of every single bottle sold is donated to organizations dedicated to saving the honeybees. Her customers weren't just buying lemonade. They were becoming part of the solution. Mikaila's journey is incredible. She's been featured in Forbes 30 Under 30, met President Obama, and has become a powerful voice for young entrepreneurs and environmental conservation. She shows us all that you're never too young to make a huge difference in the world. Her story is a powerful reminder that a simple idea combined with passion and hard work can truly change the world. It proves that one person, no matter their age, can build an empire and inspire millions. So next time you see a bottle of Me and the Bees Lemonade, remember the amazing young woman behind it. It's more than just a refreshing drink. It's a testament to creativity, purpose, and the power of a kid with a brilliant idea. Thanks so much for watching. If you were inspired by Mikaila's story, hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing stories. See you in the next one.